In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage projects with lists in Slack. We'll go from opening Slack to creating a project tracker, customizing statuses, assigning owners and due dates, sorting your work, saving a tailored view, and starring it so it's always at your fingertips. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Slack into the search bar, then click the official Slack website to open your workspace. Once Slack loads, pick a channel where your team collaborates, because lists live right inside channels and threads, making updates easy to see. If it's a cross-functional project, choose a shared channel. If it's sensitive, a private channel keeps access limited. At the message field, click the plus icon, sometimes shown as an attach icon, right next to where you'd normally type. From the menu that appears, choose List. If you don't see it immediately, use the menu's search to find List. In the panel, select Create New List. Here you can start from scratch, but to move fast, you can also use a template. Templates give you a solid structure without extra setup, which keeps teams consistent. For this walkthrough, choose a template. Select the Project Tracker template and click Use Template. Your list appears with columns ready to go. Now tailor it to your work. Update the status column for each task or project. Common options are Not Started, In Progress, Blocked, and Done. Pick the one that reflects reality right now. Keeping status accurate helps everyone know what needs attention. A quick rule of thumb: use blocked only when something outside the assignee's control is stopping progress. Next, add an assignee so ownership is clear. Assigning a single person per item avoids ambiguity and speeds decisions, even if others are helping. Then set a due date. Dates make priorities visible. Choose realistic timelines, consider time zones for distributed teams, and adjust them as plans change. You can also refine how the list is displayed. Open the view controls and click Sort. Use the drop-down to pick what you want to sort by. You can sort by priority, completed, assignee, due date, status, or description. Sorting by due date is great for planning your week, while sorting by status is useful in stand-ups to surface blocked work first. Use the direction toggle to switch between ascending and descending. When you have a view you like, click Save as New View. Give it a meaningful name so teammates instantly recognize its purpose, and keep your naming consistent across channels to reduce confusion. To keep this list handy, add it to your starred items. Click the star icon at the top right. Starred items appear in Slack's sidebar, making this tracker easy to find anytime. That's it. You've created a project tracker list in Slack, customized it, sorted it the way you work, saved the layout, and starred it for quick access. Use it daily to keep projects moving and your team aligned.